power! Power! People power! Power! People power! Power! We as the people of Nyali, we are asking Mohamed Ali.
Yes.
We shall be watching you tomorrow.
Yes.
We shall be watching you with our eyes.
Yes.
We shall be watching to see where you will cast your vote.
Yes.
You are either with the people
Yes.
or against the people.
Yeah.
You are either with the people
or against the people.
You are either with the people
or against the people.
Where you will cast your vote tomorrow
Yes.
is where you will be in 2027.
Yes.
You are either with us or against us. You are either with us or against
us.
When we lose our fear, they lose their power. When we lose our fear, they lose their power. When we lose our fear, they lose their power. When we lose our fear, they lose their power. Sisi ndio tunaweka kwa uongozi na sisi tutatoa kwa uongozi. We are the powerful people. Sisi ndio tuko na power mikononi mwetu. We decide who to give the power and who to take away the power. Yes.